Hey everyone, welcome to Live from Murphy's Outdoors channel. I am Jessie and I just want to welcome you all here to the channel. Whether you've been here before or you're new here, thanks anyways for clicking on this video. It's very much appreciated. Now I will say this as a quick disclaimer before I get this video started. We are an outdoors channel, so we post outdoors content. Hopefully that's something you don't mind watching. If not, then we understand, but we do want to make everybody known of what our channel is about. Just like we post about God, we talk about God and family and our beliefs and our values. We also do subscriber shout outs as well as giveaways, but that's just a little bit about our channel. Anybody and everybody's welcome. I just wanted to make it known what our channel is about. Hopefully you'll stick around, and if not, we completely understand. And if you do, hopefully you like this video, and if you don't, then that's okay too. But this video is, well, before I get started on that, talking about videos, we use an app called CapCut to edit our videos and put them all together and stuff. So credit to CapCut. It's a app that you can download. Now, we're not getting paid, not sponsored or anything to say this. We're just a user of the app, and we just want to give credit. As well as credit to Apple, the iPhone 14, or just iPhone, period, because that's what we're using to make this video. I say we because we're a family channel, but what I'm using to make this video right now, and from the videos and the pictures that you're going to see on this channel here in just a little bit. But we went to a pumpkin patch in Malvern, Arkansas, and we hope you guys will enjoy it. It's pictures and videos from us going to Malvern to the pumpkin patch at Family Farm. They are a Christian day camp during the summer and everything, but during the month of October and the 1st of November, they do a pumpkin patch. So hopefully, guys, y'all enjoyed this. Yay, Autumn! No, sir.
I want a swing right now.
Come on, let's go. Come on.
think so.
Alright, y'all. Hopefully y'all enjoyed that video of us enjoying our time at Family Farm in Malvern, Arkansas. Hopefully you guys will maybe plan a visit for next year. And or if you're around this area or something, go and check them out. And check out the pumpkin patch. We had a good time, and we've been going there for the last few years. Now last year we kind of skipped because last year we lost Peppa, and he would go with us, and we didn't get a chance to go last year because it was a hard time last year. And I know that he would want us back doing stuff, so we went and enjoyed ourselves, but we definitely missed him being there with us. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that, like I said, and also happy Halloween. Hope you guys have a great and safe day and night tonight. Enjoy yourselves, dress up. Our kiddos will dress up as favorite characters or from either a game or a TV show. We may be M&M, and don't laugh how I say that because I have problems, but you can laugh because Shawn does, and Reese's cups. But we're going to take our kiddos to area churches and people we know tonight and let them wear their stuff out on bounce houses and playing games and winning prizes and candy or getting candy and all that good stuff. Go and grab a bite to eat and just have a fun night as a family and enjoy ourselves, and doing our best to stay safe and have a good time and let the kiddos dress up, and maybe, like I said, we may as big old pieces of candy and just enjoy ourselves and spend time as a family. Hope you guys have a great and safe day and night tonight, and enjoy yourselves as well. And as always, y'all stay happy outdoors, stay safe, and God bless.